In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Tradingview subscription. If you've decided that it's time to step away from Tradingview, perhaps you found a different platform or maybe you simply don't need it anymore, this guide will walk you through the entire process of canceling your subscription effortlessly. Let's start this journey by navigating to the Tradingview website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the BTC demo asset on Tradingview's platform. Even though we're focusing on the cancellation, accessing the demo asset is a simple navigational step to get you where you need to be on the site. Next, you're going to want to look to the top right corner of your screen. There's a small but important icon up there, the profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This icon acts as your gateway to various settings and personal account information where subscription management is handled. Once you're in your profile area, the next thing to do is find settings and billing. This is where all the crucial information about your subscriptions and payments is stored. By clicking this option, you are opening the door to manage how your account handles billing preferences. You'll want to carefully navigate here, especially if you've signed up for multiple services or trials, as it can have a significant impact on your personal finance. After opening settings and billing, the next logical step is to head directly to subscriptions. This is where the magic happens when it comes to managing your active, trial, and past subscriptions. It's important to regularly check this section to stay informed about any automatic renewals or new features that might be associated with your account. Within the subscriptions page, you'll notice an option labeled Cancel Subscription or possibly Cancel Trial if you're still within a trial period. Clicking this option will start the process of canceling your subscription. Now be prepared to follow a couple of additional steps designed to confirm your desire to cancel. You might have to click through a few confirmation screens, and you may be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. It's a good idea to think about your reason ahead of time, as it might influence your answers in the future if you decide to resubscribe. Finally, after you've completed all these steps, you should see a confirmation message displayed on your screen. You might even receive a confirmation email, ensuring you that your cancellation request has been successfully processed. And there you have it. You have now successfully canceled your Tradingview subscription. Remember, managing your subscriptions wisely allows you to take control of your finances and ensures you only pay for services that bring value to your life. Thank you for following along, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.